Today we're taking a look at this eufy bottle washer. First of all, I wanted to mention it does come with a user manual, and it does come with 2 packs of these tablets that you put in to actually clean the bottles, and then it has to be plugged in, as you can see, and then it also has this tube thing where the water flushes out, so you have to put this in your sink or your bathtub, wherever you're washing these bottles. Firstly, I want to show you guys what this consists of. So at the top here is where you're going to put the dishes. So we got the top part here for all the lids and everything, and then this bottom part here is where the bottles go, and then this is where the nipples will go. And then on the side here we have the water tank. So I'm going to fill this part up with water. Okay, so we filled it up to the top. Now we're putting it back in here. Okay, putting the lid on. And now we can actually start to put the baby bottles inside. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys, this is how the bottles go in, just like that. And then also on this bottom part, you would put the nipple right here. As for the lid and this part, you would just put at the top right here. Okay, so currently we have 4 baby bottles in here, but it can hold 8, as you can see, and then we have all the nipples in the middle. So we put this part in here, and then we actually put this on top like this, and we put one of these tiny little tablets in here. It fits perfectly. And then what you will do is you will put the lid on. As you can see, it's already plugged in. It has a few different modes, but you can also see it on your phone. There's a eufy app. So basically, the first one is auto, fast, strong, DIY. And I'm just going to do a quick one. So we'll do a fast one that lasts 1 hour and 24 minutes. And we're going to start it. And as you can see, it's starting. The cool thing about this is that once it's done washing, it will actually hold it like clean for up to, I think it was 12 hours, but you can keep it going. You don't need to take the bottles out instantly. It will just automatically go to that setting where it keeps it hygienic and clean and sanitized and dry in there. And whenever you're ready, you can take it out. But yeah, you can see the time remaining on this. You can stop whenever you want. It is pretty simple, and as you can see, it started washing it. So yeah, if you're looking for a baby bottle sanitizer, which you definitely need for your baby because you don't want to just put it in with your regular dishwasher, it's not very sanitary, I definitely recommend you go with this eufy.